Okay, so this is where I knew I still had an issue after I replaced the one TL084. So I got the startup bong, but I did not get the sorry, that was terrible. I didn't get the next tones that you should hear there. And then upon entering into sound test with Adam's Family ROMs, immediately you can tell that that is obviously not correct. It almost didn't even sound like Adam's Family, but you can kind of hear it, I guess, if you know what you're looking for, which I just watched your video a few times. And then the rest of them work, as far as the, I think the ones that come off of the CVSD, sure to be, I think 16 on, no, 17 on.